Welcome back to the Expo floor. I've got with me Memo. Very exciting. We're going to be talking about some of our Spanish tracks that we have here at reInvent 2019. Memo, tell us what's going on.
Yeah, so for the first time this year, we had some sessions that were delivered in Spanish, right? Like it's the first language we ever do anything in at reInvent. We had sessions yesterday, we have some today actually happening right now, and then we have some more tomorrow here at the AWS Village in the Venetian. And these are all community-driven sessions.
So hold on, community-driven. We got no AWS. This is all driven from our community heroes?
100%. This is all user group leaders, community heroes, experts from these countries, and we had people from Argentina, Spain, Mexico, and Colombia.
Oh my God. That's amazing. So what kind of tracks have we got? What are we talking about? What types of sessions?
All kinds of stuff. Everything from like using QuickSight to create dashboards for billing, to creating data lakes with DMS, all kinds of stuff.
That is so exciting to hear. So on that vein, first time at reInvent, are we going to be bringing in other languages potentially down the road?
Yeah, so keep an eye out for that. Not just other languages, but more stuff, right? Like next year we want to do more with this. The plans are still, it's a year away, so there's still a lot to work through, but as someone that's based out of Latin America and I'm constantly engaging with that community, we want to be able to meet them closer to what they are, showcase their expertise, not just talk to them, but hear from them as well.
Demos, things like this. So
exactly.
What I'm hearing, potentially paraphrasing, are you growing your team, Memo?
Yeah, so that's another thing. The evangelism team in Latin America is going to grow next year, so keep an eye out for job roles if that's something that's interesting to you. We're also growing the type of content that we're doing, so keep an eye out right here for content in other languages, including Spanish. So let us know if that's something that interests you on Twitch, on streams, so we can definitely cater to what you want.
So looking at even online streaming in other languages, maybe a few new shows next year, maybe a bit of CQ in Spanish.
Yeah, that'd be great, right? We can do some training and certification stuff in Spanish or Portuguese. The sky's the limit, really.
I love this. Big diversity for us here. What else can we look out for over the next couple of days, though, this time round?
Yeah, so tomorrow there's still 3 sessions driven by the community. Like I said, at the AWS Theater in the AWS Village, a bit of a mouthful. But some of our Latin American experts are delivering content in English as well. So we had breakout sessions in the community track on Monday. There's quite a few things that are happening. They're all here at reInvent, so if you want to meet them or whatever, you can still run into them. And they're super pleased to be here, but also we want to grow that community of Latin American people. There's people in the US of Latin American background that we'd love to include and showcase what they're doing.
I'm excited. I'm excited what 2020 is going to, if this is where we're starting, what about next year? reInvent 2020. Imagine who could be stuck here right then, Memo.
You're going to have to learn Spanish for that one, and we'll do a quick show next year.
Okay,
MJ and Memo en español.
All Espanol.
Yeah.
Yeah?
100%.
Okay. Let's do it. Let's make a promise right here.
All right.
Why not?
One year from now, MJ, it's a deal.
Fluent Spanish.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for coming down. We will see you later today. For now, back to the main stage. Thanks, everyone.